guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Moomoo. This is the broker that I've been using over the past 5 years. We're going to talk about the pros and cons and giving you guys my honest review of this broker. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to sign up for Moomoo, I'm going to put a link to them down below, so feel free, sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And enough with that, let's dive into this. So for those of you that don't know what Moomoo is a stockbroker that allows you to buy and sell stocks. Now, why a lot of traders love it is because it offers advanced tools, stock screening, it offers free paper trading, it offers level 2 market data, commission-free trading, but honestly, it's actually one of the best trading apps for 2026. I've used Moomoo, like I said, over the past 5 years, and I absolutely love them. But what are the best features that it has? So like I said, the advanced charts are absolutely fantastic. They have dozens of technical indicators you can add, like moving average lines, RSI lines, MACD indicators, support resistance levels. You can use multiple different time frames, but honestly, that alone is one of the main reasons I use it. I've used a variety of other brokers ranging from Thinkorswim to Fidelity to Robinhood, and I always seem to just come back to Moomoo because of the great charting that offers. It offers a variety of great tools as well integrated in the charts, like AI tracking, pattern recognition. So if you're still learning the game of trading, Moomoo is a great way to have pattern recognition software that can help you determine buy or sell zones. I also think part of the battle with trading isn't just getting in on a position or selling the position, it's actually finding the position. And this brings me to my second reason, is because it has one of the best stock screeners that's free, right? I've used a variety of screeners ranging from Finvest to I've spent money on Trade Ideas, and honestly, Moomoo does a fantastic job of filtering stuff ranging from price, volume, technical indicators, to market cap, to percent change. And for me, my strategy is very simple, but often it's hard finding a scanner that works well. So I just think it's a lot easier to build a watch list with Moomoo and set those alerts to be prepared. And making that transition from working full time to trading is a lot easier because you can set very awesome alerts and different buy and sell zone. Another reason I absolutely love Moomoo is because of paper trading. Paper trading is using simulated money to practice buying and selling stocks and overall trading stocks, but you can paper trade stocks, options, futures, and this is all simulated money that you can help test different strategies without risking real cash and capital. So it's a great way to build a strategy, practice, then fund an account and start trading with that same approach. It's absolutely great and it's completely free to use, where I've seen some brokers actually charge for this. And if they don't charge, it could be delayed, 15 or 10 minutes, but this is all real time, which is great. And the last reason I love Moomoo is because commission free and fraction shares. You can buy and sell stocks for $0 commission, and you can buy as little as $5 worth. So if you're just starting out with trading, it's not like you need tens of thousands of dollars to get started. You can literally get started with $100 and slowly grow an account. But it's great because they charge zero commission, zero contract fees. They have fraction shares, and there's no minimum account requirement. You can literally have an account with 1 penny in it, right? Which is really cool to see. So I absolutely love Moomoo, but with everything, there is downsides, right? I love it, but there's downsides. One of the reasons I don't like Moomoo is the app can feel overwhelming. If you're making the transition from using a basic broker like Robinhood, it could take a little bit of a learning curve to learn the platform and learn the broker the right way, right? Because you want to be able to feel comfortable placing and selling stocks, buying and selling. The last thing you want to do is buy a stock and then not know how to sell it, right? So it can feel a little overwhelming, but spending an hour or two on the weekends can really cut that learning curve in half. Another thing that I don't like about this is the limited account types. For me, I just use a standard broker's account, but it would be nice to have all your accounts in one place. So if you wanted to have an IRA account, Roth IRA, or even track 401ks. Right now, Moomoo doesn't offer any retirement accounts, which in the grand scheme of things isn't that big of a problem. But it would be nice to just be able to track and keep everything all in one place so you're not actively clicking between different brokers if you wanted to look at your IRA accounts. And the last reason I really don't like Moomoo is sometimes it can encourage a little bit of over trading. Let me explain that. Now, Moomoo offers a variety of great tools, like I said, but another thing that they offer is almost like a Facebook for traders. And if you constantly see people buying and selling stocks and market data and leaderboards and almost social media features, this could encourage over trading or chasing stocks that other people are buying. For me, I don't really pay too much attention to it, but if you're a beginner just starting out, it definitely could feel hard if you're not sure what stock to buy and you're almost chasing stocks because other people are chasing it. Right. So at the end of the day, who should use Moomoo? So the first thing is active traders. If you're constantly buying and selling stocks like day traders, swing traders, or any technical analysis traders, Moomoo is going to be awesome. You're probably going to love it and never look back. This is also going to be people that want advanced charts, people that want to be able to filter stocks that they buy, and overall just beginners that are still learning because of the great paper trading platform. But where Moomoo lacks and who shouldn't use it is people that just want to just invest for retirement. Investors that want a simple, minimal, platform that they can just invest and forget. Moomoo definitely can feel overwhelming, and it's not the easiest broker to navigate, but it does a really, really good job. I also think people with joint accounts or people that want to buy and sell mutual funds or financial plan services, there's just going to be better options elsewhere. All right. So my rating comes out to a 4.5 out of 5. I think the charting's 5 out of 5. I think the stock research is a 5 out of. I think the stock research is a 4.5 out of 5. I think the trading cost is a 4.5 out of 5. I think the ease to use, so how easy it is to use, is about a 3.5 out of 5. But overall, I think the beginner experience could be a 4 out of 5. So that brings the total rating to a 4.5 out of 5. I absolutely love Moomoo. Moomoo is one of the strongest trading apps that I've ever used, and I love it for swing trading, technical analysis, and I'm never going to look back. But the great thing about being a trader is you have the option, right? You can navigate and pick and choose the best broker that meets your needs, and that's what you need to do. So if you guys want to sign up, I'll put a link to them down below, but I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Like, follow, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.